Hello everyone, today we will discover how to effortlessly migrate your Tableau dashboards into Power BI with these simple steps. Tableau has a data source page containing multiple interconnected tables with relevant data. Various worksheets feature diverse visual representations and dashboards. The report is saved locally on the machine. Compress the saved Tableau file as a zip file. This is a Power BI report without tables or schema. The report is saved locally and closed. Using Kanerika's intuitive data integration tool, FLIP, we can migrate this Tableau report to Power BI report by providing the required details like pipeline name and source zip file. Once the application runs, it automatically makes changes in our existing Power BI file. This saves you time and ensures that your table structure and calculated fields are preserved. After applying changes and refreshing the data, we can see that the data in Tableau are now present in Power BI with just the press of a button. We have the data and worksheets. We can also see the data and table structure in the Power BI file.